Mother Earth, my dear Mother Earth, it's only you who is taking care of us since birth. But I wonder how much time will we take to learn our worth? But I wonder how much time will we take to learn our worth? Yes, friends, we are destroying our earth by using plastic products. It's clogging up oceans, drifting in the air, and even entering human digestive systems. These plastic bags are a big threat to the lives of humans and animals living in water. And now the time has come to take the much needed steps to save our planet Earth from these hazardous plastic bags. But the question is how to handle this plastic menace. Friends, believe me, I'm here with a splendid solution to this problem. Guess what? Just replace the plastic bags with golden fiber, which is usually called as jute. Now you must be wondering why only jute bags? This is because these environmental friendly jute bags score very high over promotional carry bag.